Alright, so I'm making this video literally the second I found out about this. I already messaged my Discord about it, but I figured I'd make a quick YouTube video explaining it as well. The realistic horror game kit has been taken down from Roblox, whatever reason. I logged into my account and I got this moderator note saying that Roblox doesn't permit the use of drugs and alcohol and all this shit. The kit doesn't include any of this, so I don't understand how it's being taken down for these reasons. I mean, thousands of people use this kit to make their game, so you take it down and it screws out all of those other people. Like, it makes me so mad because this isn't a new thing. Roblox moderation has been consistently terrible every year. This is ridiculous. I mean, come on. I sent the appeal in literally just now. I sent the appeal in to Roblox support contact team, whatever it is, and hopefully I get a response soon. I don't know how I'm gonna get it back up unless Roblox reverses the ban, because if I re-upload the kit, it's just gonna get taken down again, and I don't want to risk my account being banned trying to re-upload this constantly. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm kind of in a bad situation right now because I have to, it's all reliant on Roblox getting back to me, and that is terrible because Roblox like response time is trash. So I'm sorry, I don't know when the kit will be back up. I know this is a huge inconvenience and I'm sorry for that. Like, I promise you, if I could do something about this, I would. But right now, all we're doing is waiting on Roblox to respond to me with either a actual reason the kit was taken down, or to undo the ban on the kit. So again, I can't say how much I'm sorry that this has happened. I will continue making videos. I will not make any more kit update videos because the kit's not even active. So those will be held off on, and it sucks because I had a plan. I had a couple videos planned for the horror game kit, but now those have to be put on the shelf because I can't make them. So I don't know. It sucks. It sucks. And you know, if any of you guys can reach out to Roblox as well and ask why this has happened, that would be great too. But the only thing that bothers me is that this kit is literally being used by thousands of people to make their games. The second I get a response back from Roblox, I will update you guys and the Discord and everywhere that you guys follow me. But yeah, let's hope that Roblox plies back fast, and that's all we can hope for right now. Again, I'm sorry, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.